Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ride with Mondo. Today we about to be going to Lancaster for their opening day. We out here at the shop right now. That boy D-Lo's working on. Look at this. He's got the butterfly doors on the Corvette. Hold on. Chill. Let me hear it. You about to start it? Suicide doors. Let me hear it. You about to start it? Nah, this shit don't start yet. We working on it though. There's a bunch of electrical stuff. Ain't no fucking battery in it yet. He just ripped out. Look at this. So whoever had it previously installed a bunch of bullshit. Like, what is it? Y'all see the slides, by the way. Champion. Hold on. Anyways, yeah. Then we got his. We about to pull up to Lancaster. We got his nice M2. You already know. Editor, go in and drop some clips of him racing this. This shit's so tough. Like, bro, this is why I'm about to make bad financial decisions. Go follow that boy on the Instagram, by the way, Z Loud Nation. But yeah, I think we're about to do some wheelies on the Grom. We're gonna switch over to the camera over there. See it on the airstrip, go crazy. He's got the BMW Trio. Look, you see the us. Chill. We got all the V's over here. I'm telling you. Look, we'll take a look. We'll take a gander. This is X5. Chill, diesel. Mind you, both of them are diesel. His car and the SUV are diesel, which is kind of crazy to me because I didn't even know they did that on regular cars for BMW. And then this is his trailer. So this is a Futura trailer right here. So this actually lifts down. So this whole thing moves down. He's got all the controllers in here. They're locked up. Got the VP racing cams right now. But yeah, this thing fucking lowers because this car's so low, a normal trailer won't work on it. But this thing's like 15 G's right here. Just for the fucking trailer. It's kind of crazy, actually. All right, let's see. We plugged it up, hooked it up. Let's see. Can we get her going? Uh-oh. Let's see it. Nothing? Not a damn light on? Not a LED in this bitch? That looks like an LED. Nah, that might be just colored red. Oh, we're cooked. Cooked, chat. Electrical issues are the best issues, right? Something like that?
My favorite.
Look at that shit. That shit looks menacing, though. Alright, well, we'll be back if it does start. Right, now we actually about to go do some wheelies on the Honda Grom. This is probably now my favorite bike that I own out of all of them. Fuck the rest of them. Fuck the Busa. This thing is insane. Shout out all my people. If y'all know me on TikTok, these are all my peoples right here. They send me a gift and they get on the bike. Get to rep them all over everywhere I go. Got the Ride with Mondo on there too. And shout out Impact Tech for the 12 bar. We got some baby scrapes on there. It might have been crashes. But mind you. We're getting there. We're getting better. You about to see. Ready? Dude, really the fucking day. It's a little rocky over here, which I don't like, but we'll try it. Oh, we already fucked up. Get a couple good ones for the camera over here, and then we can solo dolo anywhere. You ready? First one of the day. Just easier to. Oh, that was a good one. And we got a race into the camera. Let's go. Every day I'm improving, and that's all that matters. Shout out Kaizen, everyday improvement, baby. Because the biggest thing with wheelies, the biggest thing with wheelies is making sure you got that rear brake. Because if you're about to 12 and you go back farther, if you hit that rear brake, you're coming down no matter what. The problem with a lot of people is they don't hit that rear brake and they loop. They not like us. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom. They call me a professional. I think think we're done for the day, chat. I think we're about to go get ready to go to Lancaster. Might even grab some food. I'll see y'all in a bit. It's your boy, Ride with Mondo. Be safe. What's up, player? Can you hold my bag in there? Try to keep it flat. There's pizza. Pizza? Yeah. Keep it flat. Orange, that's hungry. Oh shit. Gotta go pay that. I got half a tank will be good for me. I'll be good.
My buddy's pulling up. Mustang you just bought.
Oh, here? Yeah. How long?
Cowboy?
The fucking Booster guy. Fuck yeah, dude.
Pull out, we pulling up, we getting photo shoots. What is you talking about?
Sexy.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's good?
This
How's
fucking
ride?
guy.
How you live?
What's going on? Chill, it was good, you know.
You aren't gonna run it though?
Oh yeah,
What
yeah.
do you run?
I haven't, huh?
What do you run?
I haven't run in a while, bro. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Guess we'll have to see. Look at this shit. We at Lancaster right now. We got the booth out here. You already know what the vibe is. Look at this shit. That shit's going hard. We're gonna see what we running on the times. We'll let y'all back. We got the Ace Pro going. Shout out Insta360. If they send me a camera for one.
What you run? You see the damage. You think that shit off limited, didn't you?
6.6.
Hell,
Bad reaction time.
Holy shit.
I wasn't even full
No mile
throttle.
per hour, you're too fast?
Huh?
No mile per hour, you're too fast?
Oh my god! Look at this dude. This dude got that. He about to spin like a motherfucker though. You see next to it though. We got the nice GTR. It's fucking clean. Got some nice cars out here. We gotta go see that boy Wavy. This motherfucker right here. Who's this? Look, that looks like a dent, bro, don't it? What's good, buddy?
Looks good. How you
What
doing?
you up to? You running?
I just ran.
What'd you do?
7.3.
Woo! He's coming for me, y'all. He's coming for me right here. Who's this dude? This dude Wavy? Mondo, bro.
How you doing, bro?
Mondo? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's going on, man? Listen, man.
Hold on. You see the satin on the right, though.
Listen, man. He's famous. All right, it's an honor. It's an honor and a privilege to be on this guy's YouTube. This YouTube?
Yeah, we doing
To be on this guy's YouTube channel.
First YouTube video today.
You know what I'm saying? I've been following him for years, and he's just now following back like
Yo,
Leslie.
he's happy. First of all, let's follow this. Watch, you gonna see.
Oh, snap. Nice to meet you in person, man.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all, so we met that boy Wavy Kid, but we did not meet his car yet. Let's check this fucker out in person. Let me see. Carbon fiber hood? You see that? Hold on, let me see the stance. What's the stance looking like? He got some good fitment there. He got some decent fitment. Bro's tints. I know he lying about his fucking eyes, the tint exemption, but it's alright. This shit's dark as fuck. Oh man, hold on. That's negative 10 points. It's probably the New York potholes though. Fuck. Yeah, this dude has so many bad potholes. Spoiler? Wait, is this active arrow? Hold on. Y'all see that? Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Negative 10 fucking points though. Damn. Yo, blackout plate. Send him a new one. Look at this. He's got a crack in it. Please send him a new one. That boy's gonna get you a bunch of plates. So let me see. Yo, but make sure y'all go follow this dude. He be posting some good ass content like 10 times a day. I don't know how he fucking does it. He's a W-ass creator. I will say that. Creator for the people. And if you didn't see, the hood scoop. That shit's fake as hell, bro. I don't know why he's got this on this shit. He don't need that. That's for looks. He ain't got no power. He's pushing like 400 horsepower. Some slow shit. But W fucking Wavy Kid's car. Make sure y'all go drop him a follow. Wavy Kid, Cav, all that. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. What up, yo? Yeah, what's going on?
Bro, it's 2018. I don't even know if you know who I am, bro. I used to like, I'm on your TikTok type shit. Fucking, bro, I don't know. I told you to come out here a bunch of times. I was like, bro, come out, let's race the boosters.
Hell yeah.
Shit, I love the purple.
What you got? You got the red?
Yeah.
That I seen that shit. That's just fire, bro.
It was black and gray.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull over there. Let me pull over there. Hell, my boy got the boosters. Got the boosters out here.
Bro, it's a pleasure to meet you, bro. It's a pleasure.
What's your name, bro? Sorry. Angel. What's your name, man? Mark Mondo, bro. Damn. Can't fucking see.
I was about to run it. I paid for two. I was like, you don't want to run.
What you running here?
I ain't run yet.
No.
I ran last year. I think I ran like a 9 or something like that. You got, what you got? Whoa! No. Hold on. Whoa. 6? You got, hold on. But what year is this?
23.
So it got all the launch control and shit?
I don't use it.
Bro, it's a pleasure to meet you, bro.
Pleasure to meet you too, bro. Yeah, I'm about to dip after he races, so if you go out there.
It's crazy because I was hitting you up crazy. I wasn't texting you, but I was like, you was live type shit. Yeah. I'm like, gifting you, nigga. I was like, it was crazy.
Angel in the chat, bro?
Bro, 2018 Ninja.
Bro, I fucking know you, bro. I didn't know what you were talking about.
No, yeah.
That's crazy. Huh?
Hell yeah, I follow you on the media.
A word? Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate it. I know I seen the booster. I know, bro. I'm leaving. Huh?
I said, you the reason I got the booster.
Oh, yeah? Bro, I appreciate that. Not for real. Yo, be safe on it, though, Dirt. It's a fast bike. Appreciate it, man. Take it easy.